starting off today's video with breakfast, and this place is called Brito Mart. It's about 30 minutes away from Ebisu Circuit, and Milky was telling me about it, so I figured I'd go check it out. I'm so glad I did. Really good coffee, really good pastries and food at this bakery here, and it's like the environment here is just super chill. I love it. So this kind of changes everything for me here at Ebisu. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this, and then we'll head to the track. Just arrived here at SideX Japan, and wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update on the car. So a lot of the intercooler piping and all the spare piping that they have doesn't really match up to the one that I have, and we don't really want to have to go and buy an entirely new intercooler because there's nothing really wrong with this one. It still works fine, it doesn't leak. So they're going to repair what they can with this, and then they're going to cut and just use another 90 bend here to repair that. You can also see they've bashed out a fair bit of the damage already and got that all flattened out. If you guys remember what this looked like before, it was a disaster. So this section here is kind of pretty okay. They still need to get on this corner and pull out and pull this out, but they have the actual like strut tower pulling machine there against that pole that they'll use eventually. But what I think, because we've actually decided while we're here, we're going to do a few mods. We're going to do the J-pipe delete and a bunch of stuff to just make this a little bit more reliable and responsive. A good example is, check out this chaser. If we pop the hood, this is kind of what we're going to be doing, is doing a full J-pipe delete, and you can see that that whole section on the top there is now missing, and you get a new suction pipe there and everything. That kind of just, it means that you don't have a whole bunch of extra piping there. It makes it more responsive and a lot better. So we're going to be doing that, which will solve that whole problem. Actually, one thing I wanted to look at is, what's it look like? Okay, yeah, piping goes straight down there as well. So I'm not entirely sure yet, but we may also end up cutting a hole here and taking the intercooler piping straight down there too, instead of out the side. One thing the guys are going to check as well is the wiring harness here, because this was pushed up against here during the crash. They want to make sure no wires got crushed and are shorting out. And they are going to be replacing the lower arms and making spares for me. The biggest thing as well is I've just told them, because Fustor has Formula Drift next week and a whole bunch of stuff going on, and because winter's coming in and snow, I don't think I'm going to be able to drive this for the rest of the year. Maybe a little bit in January and February. So I've kind of said, look man, no big rush on this. And plus we want to do a few other things. We've got some Origin over fenders coming, going to kind of get the car like looking really good again, new headlight and stuff like that. So I've just kind of said, like, no rush to get everything done right this second. This is also just an OEM factory radiator that he put in to kind of test and see how much this has been tweaked. And he was able to see like where this is here compared to where that is, how much this needs to be pulled out. We do have another alloy one coming, so it's not a big deal. So yeah, that's kind of the game plan. This will be fixed probably throughout December, and then we'll come back January, February, probably do some ice and snow drifting with it. I think it'll be a bunch of fun. And that's really about it. And obviously we're going to be doing some cool kind of mods, deleting this whole section here and coming straight out here and stuff. Probably going to also have a plug-in link going in this as well, just to make things a bit better. I know it has an auto ECU in there, so that's kind of why it's been stalling out a bit. I adjusted the idle screw so the thing idled at 1,000 RPM so it wouldn't stall out when I come off throttle mid-drift and stuff. So yeah, that's kind of about it. Nothing really much more to it, I guess. Which now means we go into the next part of this video where I explain that I'm cutting my trip short and I'm going to be heading home tonight later after a bit of fun at Ebisu. So, I mean, kind of sucks, but obviously it's a missile. It's meant to be crashed and me not really care about it. And I'm sure you guys could tell by just my attitude and how I handled the accident and stuff, like it's meant for that. And we had fun at Mitsuri. The car pretty much other than the clutch issue, we got all the way through Mitsuri until like the last 20 minutes of Nishi Short before we couldn't drive it anymore. So I was pretty happy with that, and that's exactly what we bought the car for. So yeah. So just started the 4-hour drive home now. It's about 5:45 p.m. and it's this dark out. It's crazy how quickly it gets dark out here in Fukushima this early. I mean, it is coming into winter, so it does get darker faster, but yeah, definitely nothing like Australia, that's for sure. Anyways, we got the next 3 hours and 52 minutes to go. I'll kind of pick things up if we stop at PAs and stuff. I'm definitely gonna have to stop for dinner at some point, so we'll pick it up when we get there. So I figured on our way home, considering we're going past it, we might as well pull into Daikoku PA and just chill for a bit, see what cars are there, see if any friends are there and hang out. I am hyped. Let's see, is there gonna be a big turnout tonight? It's pretty late already, but let's see. I love this view coming in here. Just driving in, you get to see the bridge up there and everything, all the lights reflecting off it. Oh, it looks busy, man. Wow. Let's have a look. What do we got here? Oh, yep, fair few cool cars. Sick. All right, yeah. We definitely gonna be here for a while, checking out some cool rides, that's for sure. All right, let's find a park. And see who's here. Just parked next to this guy. Didn't expect to see you here tonight. What's up, man?
Good to see you.
Nice rig you got there.
Yeah.
Putting me to shame with my G7X.
To be honest, the picture from that is like as good, if not better.
Oh, Canon color profile always amazes me.
Yeah, man.
Cool, dude. All right, I'm gonna walk around, see what's here, but
yeah, we got about
hyped.
30 minutes.
30 minutes, you reckon, before they close it down?
I think so. I think we're good for about
I love
30.
those Copens, so cool. So getting a little bit of a walk around, it definitely seems like it's a little bit quieter today. Yo, new GR Yaris, but in like a reddy orange. I have not seen that yet. That's cool. I don't think that was the GZ or whatever it's called. No, the RZ. The RZ, I think it's the track model. New Supra here though. Wait, hang on, I did that wrong. Oh my gosh, is that a Supra? I think that's more correct, right? More politically correct when you see a Supra. It's nice. Not bad. Ooh, this looks good. Was this an M2? Starting to learn my BMWs, not doing too bad. Is there a badge somewhere that says what it is? Hey, I got it right. Yay, M2. Give myself a pat on the back now. You guys can't see it. I dig this 180. Very like 2000s-y. Simple kind of like livery down the side, carbon hood. Very clean actually. The TEs are a nice touch. Yeah, big wang. Kind of like a weird boxy body kit, which is like very 2000s. Love it. Hey, JZX 110. Versarossa? I can't remember how to pronounce that. Still, cool car. It's where my transmission came out of for my Hakuche that I have. Damn, that's a really nice 33. I really like the way this has been modded. Nice GTST. Kind of dig that. Nice. I'm a sucker for a good 33, hey. Okay, got some stance 86 here. It's pretty cool. Running the nice Rocket Bunny kit. I really do dig the Rocket Bunny kit. It's been debadged. Not bad. It's either a BRZ or an 86. Another BRZ. Subaru. Nice. This is cool. What is this? Oh, I can't remember. These are like the new 11s, right? Very nice. These have a 4-age in them, I'm pretty sure. If I'm not mistaken. Very cool. Current. Usually I'm very confused. This kind of looks a little bit like a Celica. Was I right? I can't remember. You guys tell me in the comment section if you know anything about this car. I'm very intrigued. It kind of looks like a Celica in the rear, but then the front looks like new 11s. There's that 33 rolling in. Nice S14 there, next to a MR2 Spider. Altezza. Nice. That's those MR2s, like I say this every time I see them, but they really don't get enough love. Okay, this looks really cool. So we got like, what's this, technically a blob eye? Is this a blob eye? But it's running Advan GT wheels. It's one of my favorite wheels. kind of like Advan's version of the TE, I guess, kind of style, but they look so much more aggressive in my opinion. Really like it. And moving up the back here, a couple more Subis. It's a fair few. Got that rally wing on that one too, and the mud flaps. Nice. This is something you don't really see much of. That's cool. The Slam 34 is nice too. Oh, we missed the GZX up here. Definitely need to check that out. Man, getting right into the swing of things here in Tokyo. Coming back from ABC. Whoo-wee! This guy had a bit of a doozy right on the door. I don't see tire marks though, so I'm not sure what that was. Definitely looks like he has a bit of fun in this thing. Really cool. Looks like an Origin kit, like front bumper Origin. I'm not sure about these over fenders though. I don't know what brand over fender that is. It's cool though. Running Valino wheels in the rear, in the front. Not sure. Nice chaser. Can I take like your whole this side, please, for mine? Got a Laurel, Lexus, and a new Roadster ND. See what we got up at this end. Next to my kind of ugly mess of an S15 right now, we've got Elbows. What is this called? It's an SDI Forester. Really cool. Kind of rare. There weren't too many of these made. He's down there shooting right now. Super nice and clean. Looks like an RE. Yeah, it is. FD. Very nice condition. We got this thing here. 32 GTR. Running a Precision by the looks of it. Nice single conversion. What power is this thing putting out?
500.
500? Nice, dude. Oh, look at that. Running the PRP trigger kit.
Yep. Got the whole PRP thing, and then there's dash like I told you last.
Oh, you got the dash as well?
I got it like mounted in there, so it looks like.
Oh, it looks like it's all OEM. So that a new IQ dash, yeah, they look sick. Very nice. It's cool. There she is.
Just dynoed it, what, 4 days ago?
Dynoed it 4 days ago? Nice.
Oh, this one.
Cool, dude.
Built in the front yard.
Looks like, did you replace this recently? The top struts, or is that someone else? Looks like it's been stitch welded all here.
Yeah.
Yeah, both sides. That's actually a very common thing that a lot of Japanese guys did.
I picked up another set of these just in case.
Just in case, yeah.
$3.
Yeah, you can't complain, right?
Fully built engine, built it in the front yard.
Oh, really?
Yep.
What internals did you go? Is that a 6-boost manifold?
Yep.
It is? Yeah.
It is.
6-boost. Nice.
You got manly pistons and rods.
Oh, nice.
The whole work's been done by what's her name? Nagoya.
Oh,
Nagoya
okay.
Precision.
Cool.
It's got a 280 intake cam, a 272 exhaust cam.
Nice. Dude, you must be pretty happy with this thing now that's tuned. Freshly tuned, you must be having fun.
Oh, yeah.
Hasn't worn off yet, right? Like the whole like feeling, yeah.
I did blow a couple in yesterday, but I think it's good right now. I was just checking it.
Okay, cool.
Pretty dope.
Awesome, dude. Damn, that thing looks like a handful. I'll have to check it out sometime.
Oh yeah, man.
Enjoy the night, man.
All right, man. You too.
Got, I guess, like a little bit of a rally spec 8.6 here. Bit of mud everywhere. There's a 33 there, very clean. Celica. Whole bunch of kind of, I guess, and there's like a motorhome Ram 2500. Jeez, okay, yeah, that's a Ram. It's kind of funny. There you go. That's kind of it. There's not that much here tonight. There's still a little bit. Yo, look at this cute little thing. Oh yeah, it just needs a topo delivery thing down the side. It looked like a knockoff version of like the 8.6. Oh, it's on Volk TEs too. Yo, bringing underglow back. I love it. So good. Oh, that kind of wraps it up, I guess. It's not really, yeah, it's not too filled out tonight. Got to see a couple cool cars though. I think that's cool. Love it. Seeing if there's anything else up here. I wanted to get a look at this Series 2 33. Very clean. There's a nice starlet there. Nice. That's on TEs as well. Yeah, this is a clean. Love how clean those headlights look too. Beautiful. Yep, nothing's changed here since I've been up at Ebisu. Feels like I've been at Ebisu for months, man. Police are kicking everyone out. Back home now, and definitely a little bit wrecked after the long drive, but feeling good. Tomorrow's going to be a really good day. Make sure you keep an eye out for that video. Whole bunch of stuff planned for the coming up, and hopefully there will be a bunch of Evo videos in a few weeks. It'll all make sense when you watch tomorrow's video. But for now, guys, smash that like button, write us a comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get some sleep. And have I showed you guys like the office makeover? Look at this, sick desks. Oh yeah, I need to edit that video for SAMMIT Raw channel. If you haven't subbed to SAMMIT Raw, go check out some of the content over there. I'll put a link to it in the description, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace out. Ciao mata.